I'm Martin Daws, poet, bard, music producer and creative educator. And alongside me, we got Owen Maclean, aka Agent Orange.
How's it going, people? Sy'n my pal.
Yeah. And what we're doing here, we're doing this video for Cydweithio'n, Community Music Wales, and we're going to show you how we can collaborate online using BandLab. And this is a pilot for a project we're running with Cyngor Gwynedd, and we'd like to invite you to join us. So I'm going to switch the screen and show you how we use BandLab. I'm working on an iPad, but BandLab works both on iPad and Android. I'm going to press the plus button to get a new project. And we've got different instruments we can use here. We're going to go to the looper, and we're going to open it up. And we're going to open this loop collection here called Lo-Fi Hip Hop Volume 2. Now in this, we've got lots of different instruments, and it's simple as pressing a button and the instrument plays. So we've got that drum beat, we'll bring in a bass line, bring in a guitar, and there we go, we got a tune. So the plan is, we're going to record this tune here on my iPad, then through BandLab, I'm going to send it over to Owen, and he's going to write some lyrics to it, okay? So this is how it goes. I'm going to press record. We've got the metronome activated, so I know when to come in on the 1. There we go. I can turn the metronome off now. Let's get the bass line in on that. Here we go. Yes, yeah. Bring the guitar. Woo. Now, I can record this for as long as I want, but we don't need it to be too long, because when we've recorded it, it'll go into the mixer, and then I could double it up. Owen then could arrange it. He could make it as long or as short as he likes. So we're just going to let this roll one more time round. We drop out the beat. Bass line. There it is. Okay, so this little down arrow here in the top right hand corner, press that and it switches screens and it takes us over to the mix that we've just put in. So that's the arrangement there. And at the start here, we've got that little bit of quiet. So I've just selected the track, pressed on it, it gave us the options. I'm just going to trim the end a little bit more, slide it along to the start. Now I can save that and send it across to Owen. Save, I'm going to call it Jazzy Beat 1. Press the tick button, top right hand corner. There we go. And that's been saved. So what I can do now is I can go down to my library here, and we've got Jazzy Beat 1. So I can press the 3 buttons, invite collaborators, and in my collaborators, we've got Agent Orange. That's Owen. And that's been sent over. Okay, Oz, I made the beat.
Yeah.
Over to you.
Sy'n my pal. So, dwi'n mynd I edrych am a notification one, not just switch o camera fi. So, ar Android, dwi wedi cael a notification, Jazzy Beat 1 gan Martin, acceptio fo. Na fo, a wedyn mynd mewn I folders fi. A dyna fo ar y top yn fanna. So, na agor hwn wan. Ac dwi eisiau rhoi layer arall I rhoi vocals fi. I need to do another layer to put my vocals on, so I'm going to press the plus and voice mic to get your vocals on there. And also on a phone and Android, there is the button there to press your lyrics in. So I'm going to play the beat a little bit. Maybe symud bethau llawn yn mynd dros y dŵr. Maybe symud bethau llawn yn mynd dros y dŵr. Caneuon a iaith Gymraeg yn mynd efo'n gilydd fatha tân ag yr mwg. Na I recordio hwn mewn wan, so hefo headphones fi. So I'm going to record this in now. This is the handy thing about BandLab for you guys that are just starting off with recording musical production and stuff. If you get yourself a pair of headphones, iPhone ones, just with a little microphone on, you can record music at home in your own room. It's awesome. Okay. Check, check. Yeah. Dwi'n teimlo'r y sŵn, maybe symud fatha llong yn mynd dros y dŵr. Caneuon ag yr iaith Cymraeg yn mynd efo gilydd fel tân ag yr mwg. So dringo tan ti'n uchel, heb fod yn drwg. So dringo tan ti'n uchel heb fod yn drwg. Yeah. Take the headphones out. Okay. Check, check. Yeah. Dwi'n teimlo'r y sŵn, neu di symud fatha llong yn mynd dros y dŵr. Caneuon ac yr iaith Cymraeg yn mynd efo gilydd fel tan ag yr mwg. So dringo tan ti'n uchel heb fod yn drwg. So dringo tan ti'n uchel heb fod yn drwg. Yeah. Just wanted to show you guys anyway how easy it is to collab and formulate a song and get the bases down with BandLab. It's amazing. But if you guys join us on this journey, we'll be sure to help you and guide you on that process.